slide tab is an amazing function. What it allows you to do is change the length of the leash by simply sliding it down the leash, and now you have an extra large handle. You can slide it all the way down to the leash, but what you can also do is unsnap it. This way now, we don't want to go deer, I know. And if you have a tree that's too large to tether around, you can tether like this. So if you have an emergency situation, you can easily tether around a tree. Another wonderful feature for this slide tab is that you can tether around yourself. So I can slide that down and easily wear it over my shoulder, or around my waist. Oh, I know you want to go there, but you can't. I know. Oh, come on up. This way. Cardi pants. I know. This way, Martha. You can't go there. Oh, good boy. Good job. Yes. Now, I don't want him tethered around me when he's excited. And in truth, I kind of prefer when I'm long lining to have it in my hands with him. Now, for plenty of dogs, you can put that long line around your waist. But for him right now, we're still learning.